Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the AnyDesk support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.anydesk.com and you'll be greeted by a screen where you just need to go and download the application. Of course guys, can go, of course this is only a license for newbies, so if you want to buy the whole, you can go and buy it on the website. So now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the news, favorites, recent session discovered, and in the top right corner we have everything about settings and set password and those things. And of course you can copy the address. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact AnyDesk support. So in the top right corner, as you can see, you need to go and click on these four lines here. When you click on those four lines, you'll have all of these options. So we'll have the settings, set password, address book, session recordings, change license key, the help, and about AnyDesk, and the exit option. Of course, what you need to go and click on is the help, which is the one before last option, and you'll have the help center popping out. Here you can, as you can see, have some recently searched questions, as you can see here, or of course you can go and search for the answer in the search box here. So basically those are a few ways that you can go and contact the support center of AnyDesk. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.